I can say implement extends. I'm an interface here. Functional, or actually, I'm sorry, I'm doing that wrong. I just annotate it. So one thing you can do is if you throw the word functional interface on something, that's your way of telling people, I intend this to be able to be used as a functional interface. So I intend it to be a single abstract method interface. And I believe, yeah, it'll give me an error now. The compiler will say, hey, it's not a functional interface. You lied to me. So that's something you can do to mark it to say, I intend it to be used that way. And that's my note to myself to stop me from accidentally doing that. However, if I don't do that, there's nothing stopping me. Now, you could say, if I publish an interface and don't say this, I'm not making a guarantee to anybody that they can use it as a functional interface. And so that's kind of the way that I would view it, is that if it's not documented as safe to do that, as a developer, I'm free to add to it. However, if I'm publishing this as an interface I expect other people to implement, I should never ever be adding methods to it, because that'll break anybody, regardless if they're doing a Lambda or if they're doing an anonymous inner class or a full up class implementation. Because now they have, yeah, you're going to get the death threats. So typically what you want to do is, if you want to add another method, you want to create an extension of the interface. And then you'd have your class implement the extension of the interface there. And if people were implementing the older interface, they're still going to be okay. That's usually what you want to do. But then in your code, you have to do a little test to say, is it actually an implementation of the sub interface before you try using any of those methods? So it's a little bit harder. Yeah, writing a library is really a tough thing.